Okay, for today's Elements of Drama review, we're going to be going over dialogue. So let's write today's date, 1-8-21, new year. Don't forget that, 21. The title for this page is Elements of Drama. If you need more time to write both of these, just go ahead and pause the video. All right, can anyone remember why we do the title? It's because if we come back to, if we want to go back and look for elements of drama, we can go back and we can find it a little bit easier because it tells us what this page is going to be about, which is elements of drama. So let's go ahead and write dialogue right here. Underline it. I'll give you some time to write this word. Okay, dialogue. Dialogue is the words the characters speak. Okay, give me some time to write that. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and continue on with Little Red Riding Hood. I'm going to draw the wolf. Not the best wolf, I know. All right. And draw a Little Red Riding Hood, but this time I'm just going to draw like a stick figure. Well, kind of a stick figure. Just going to draw it in red. All right, so I have my two characters. Excuse my drawing. All right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do a little speech bubble. In which you're So you're going to see this in today's story. There's a part where there's three little cats and they're talking to the main character in Pete the Cat. And you're going to see these little speech bubbles. And it means that that character is saying those words. Okay? So I'm just going to write something like, where are you going? And do my little quotation marks. I know we've talked about that. The wolf is telling her, where are you going? And she's saying, I'm going to visit my grandma. No, you can't see that well because I was trying to write it really quick and so I smushed some of my words. But here's those quotation marks, and those let us know that someone is talking. Okay? So, where are you going? I'm going to visit my grandma. All right, so hope you like the little review over dialogue. Remember, this is good for us to have in our journal just in case we ever want to go back and review.